the strategies to solve the reading test, and we were discussing about the time management. So it is very, very important part of the reading test. We have to train our mind to complete our task within the requested time frame. So for part A, we have 15 minutes and total question are uh, 20 questions in 15 minutes. So it means maximum of 45 seconds per question. So if we are unable to find any answer within 30 to 40 seconds, so we should skip it and we should proceed to the next one. Our total focus is required here. So why students fail part A? So they keep on spending too much time on one question. So they are searching the text again and again, reading through it again and again. Maybe they can maybe sometime they are unable to find the answer, and they might spend 1 or 2 whole minutes on one question. So if you spend too much time on one question, so because you just have 15 minutes for 20 questions, so definitely you will miss next 2 or 3 questions, or maybe at the end of the test, because they will take part A after 15 minutes. So at the end you don't have time to solve further questions. So if in 30 to 40 seconds you are unable to find the answer, leave it, move to the next. And okay, for part B and part C is 45 minutes. So 2 minutes per question for part B. It is 12 minutes in total, and then 33 minutes for part C. So it allows roughly 2 minutes per complex multiple choice question, per complex multiple choice item, and also the text navigation time. So if maybe into people keep on reading part B and also part C, there are long text, so they keep on reading and they are spending too much time. So the technique here is, when you get the question paper, first of all read the question, then go to the part B or maybe part C. So questions are arranged in order there. So in part C and also part B, so there is a small text, and below that question is written. So just first of all read the question, then go to the part B text and then solve it. But if in 2 or 3 minutes you are unable to find the answer, so just move to the next one. So in